In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code to your Wix site using what I consider the best method. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and make this a breeze. First off, let's head over to Canva. Whether you're a design whiz or just starting out, Canva is a fantastic tool for creating designs, and it even has a built-in feature for generating QR codes. Once you've logged into your Canva account, we're looking to create a custom size design. Locate the custom size button, which will allow you to enter your preferred dimensions. For this project, go ahead and click on width and type in 1080, then do the same for height and type in 1080 as well. This square format is ideal for your QR code. With these dimensions set, click on the Create New Design button. Canvas will open a fresh canvas where we can get started on our QR code. Next, you want to find the Apps section on Canva's panel. Click on it and head to the search bar where you'll type in QR code. You're searching specifically for the QR code generator that Canva offers. Click on it in the search results, and then you'll want to hit open to start customizing your QR code. Now that you have the QR code app open, focus on the URL field. This is where you'll input the link you want the QR code to redirect to. Be sure to double check this link for accuracy because any errors will lead users to the wrong place. Once you've entered the URL, go ahead and click on Generate Code. Canva will whip up a unique QR code just for you in seconds. Alright, time to save your new QR code. Click Share at the top right, and from the options, select Download. Be sure you're downloading it in a format that works best for you. You might want to go with PNG for a high quality image. Moving on to Wix. Open up your Wix site editor. For this, we'll add our QR code to the page. Start by clicking on Add Elements, then choose Image. Next, select Upload and Import, and then you'll find Upload Image. This is where you bring in your saved QR code. After that, click on Upload from Computer and locate the QR code file you just saved. Once uploaded, spot your QR code image in the Wix library and click on it. Now select Add to Page to place it into your site. You can drag it to the location you prefer, resize it if necessary, and align it to fit seamlessly with your website's layout. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional QR code on your Wix site. Users can scan it directly from their phones and access the content you've set it to link to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck with adding those QR codes.